Good day, everyone. I am Sheila Hogo, and I will be discussing about the principle of composition in theatrical design. So this design will help the designer in arranging visual elements in stage in order to create a meaningful and appealing design. So principle of composition. Elements of designs are like raw materials. Principle of composition shows how these materials are used, so they help make stage design interesting and meaningful. So according to Brewster and Schaefer 2011, there are five principles: the balance, proportion, rhythm, variation, and unity. So the elements of design like color, shape, and textures are our raw materials, but how we use them is guided by the principle of composition. So according to Brewster and Schaefer mentioned five main principles: the balance, proportion, rhythm, variation, and unity. So today I will focus on the first principle, which is the balance and its three types. So balance refers to the visual weight of scenic design. Designers balance number, mass, and volume to make the stage look stable and pleasing. So in theatrical design, balance means arranging the elements so that no part of the stage feels heavier or more crowded than the other. So it's about creating visual stability using the number, size, and position of the objects. There are three types of balance. First is the symmetrical balance. So elements are identical on both sides, gives a sense of formality and order. For example, same set pieces, colors, and props on both sides of the stage. So asymmetrical balance though is everything on the right side mirrors what's on the left side. So this type of balance gives a sense of formality and stability. For example, if there's a chair and lamp on the right side, the same items will appear in the same position on the left side. So second balance, which is the asymmetrical balance. So elements differ in size, shape, or color but still balance. Creates a dynamic and interesting visual effects. Example, large set piece on one side balanced by several smaller pieces on the other. So in asymmetrical balance doesn't mean everything is the same. Instead, the designer arranges different elements like a big set on one side and smaller props on the other to make the stage visually exciting but still balanced. So the last balance is the radial balance. So elements radiate from a central point, create movement and focus towards the center. Example, lightning or props arranged in a circular pattern. So in radial balance though, all elements seem to come out from a center point, like rays from the sun or lights from the middle of the stage. So this gives the audience a clear focus while keeping the design symmetrical in all directions.